So you finally publish a new page or blog post, but it's crickets. No clicks, no rankings, no traffic. Why? Because Google doesn't even know it exists. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that. You'll learn 2 quick methods to get Google to find, crawl, and index your content fast. We'll cover internal linking the right way and how to submit your page directly to Google using Google Search Console. This is one of the most overlooked steps in SEO, and missing it could be the reason your content never gets seen. But don't worry. After this video, Google will know about the content that you work so hard to create. Let's get started. So what's an internal link? It's just a link from one page of your website to another page of your website. Why internal links matter? The reason internal links are important is Google experiences your site just like a user would. They land on your homepage and begin clicking links to navigate. This is called crawling. Internal links make it easy for Google to crawl your site. And if you make it easy for Google to find a page, there's more chance of them ranking it. If there are no links to your page, Google assumes it isn't supposed to be shown in search and it'll never get shown in search results. So we want to make it as easy as possible for them to find this page. And that's where internal links come in. We find that adding 3 links to each page from top ranking posts and pages on your site is an easy and effective way to ensure that Google can find and index your content without overcomplicating it. Anchor text. Before you start building internal links, there's one last thing you need to know. The words that you choose when linking to a page tells Google what that other page is about, and in turn helps it rank for those terms. For example, if you're a house painter and wrote a post on different types of paint, you might target the words bathroom paint types if it appears in one of your other posts. An easy way to find opportunities to do this is if you use WordPress, do a search on the post page for a term and click on any of the results that come up. Then use Command F on Mac or Control F on Windows to search for those words on the page. Then highlight it and add your link. If you don't have anything that explicitly states these words, don't worry. You can always modify the text to include more content and fit it in, but this is often time consuming and can feel forced. Related links method. So one trick that we use is to look for content and sections of posts that are related to our keyword. We then add a bullet point with the word related in all capital letters. And then we add the post title or a slight variation and make that the link. This works for 2 reasons. It includes the keyword, as those should always be in the title of your post. Second, it brings attention to the fact that you have another page that users might be interested in, which can help increase the number of pages that the user views, as well as their time on site. All positive ranking factors. Internal linking from your post. Now that you understand how important it is to internal link to your post to make sure Google finds it, you should realize that your new post should also link to other posts, products, and service pages on your website. In addition, including a branded link to your homepage helps create a loop, so we typically include that in our posts as well. Submitting to Google Search Console. Now, to speed up the indexing of the post, we're going to actually ask Google to index that post. Go to Google Search Console and click Start Now. Then head up to the top search bar and add the link that you're trying to index and hit enter. You can see it shows that this URL is not on Google. The next thing you want to do is click Request Indexing. It might take a minute to load, but once it does, you'll see that it says Indexing Requested. You can click Dismiss and now you're all set. Now Google knows that page exists and you won't have to do this process again. And that's it. Now Google knows about your page and it's ready for indexing. So what comes next? We'll cover that in the next video, so make sure you subscribe for updates. If you have any questions or any issues with getting your page indexed, let me know about it in the comments below.